Hello people, it's George from Matipo Landscaping here. Welcome to a new Matipo project. Primarily a Matipo patio. So we've just wrapped up today, did all the grouting, oyster pebbles. What we got along here, we replaced all these fence panels. We've got a nice oyster pebble gravel trap. The fence line was a bit undulating, but we wanted nice straight lines. Got oyster pebbles along the residence, nice infill drain cover. Hopefully you've seen the previous vlogs. This is just a concrete pad and a big pile of rubble really. So what we've got here is a dual colour Indian sandstone patio. I'm sure my main man Jack Dean will tell you some more information about that. Another infill drain cover. Beautiful wraparound patio. Here is one. That's one. That's right, there's multiple on this bad boy. One of the horizontal timber screens. Nice little detailing too, nice little top cap. What else have we got, Jack Deany?
We have a Raj green candler grey.
That's right.
Mixed pack patio.
Honed and calibrated.
As you know, 400 height retaining vertical sleeper wall. It's been beautifully sanded by myself. Beveled edges of the lot, nice and safe. We also have some really nice hardy tropical plants. Would you like to tell them about that, George?
Oh, go on then, mate, go on then. Alright, so what we've got over here, people, I'll use the common names because otherwise you won't know what I'm talking about. This is your black bamboo. As this matures, the stem is going to get a lot thicker and a lot darker. Foliage will still be green, but it's nice having something a bit different. You know what we like here. So you got your black bamboo stepping down in height onto your fantastic violet cord lines. So happy with this. Here's the second timber screen in case you haven't noticed. Mirrored. That's what we're going for. Beautiful backdrop for these violet cord lines. We've got 5 of these bad boys, and then you're coming on to your intense Elijah blues. I say intense because they're very intense in blue coloration. And what we've also done here is mirrored this planting scheme onto the other side. Mirrored screens, mirrored planters. Get in.
One of my favourite aspects about the job is the seamless indoor-outdoor flow.
Of course.
This was the key thing on the brief, was to raise the height and give them that indoor-outdoor flow. And I feel like we achieved it perfectly. We came up with our own system. But I'm not going to tell you now. Check out one of our previous vlogs and I'm sure you'll find out. So seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Absolutely over the moon. Bit of engineering masterpiece. Of course, the main feature piece.
The main bit of work on this project.
My topiary. So I assisted George in my first topiary mission and I feel like it went pretty well. Now it's bushed out a bit, it looks fantastic.
Yes.
Very full, very bulbous.
Fantastic. So we're absolutely over the moon with this project. I think it's definitely a most substantial,
It is.
most high quality project we've done so far.
Probably the most weight in and out.
Yeah, so far anyway.
Have we touched on the custom fence?
How could I forget? So we've done a few other bits and bobs in here. We sorted out some drainage for the clients, but that's a bit boring. Down here you got a bespoke custom hand-built fence, sleepers as posts, nice little top caps, create a nice recessed look, and a big old gate up in there. You probably won't be able to see it, it's camouflaged so well.
And that follows on to the panel replacement that we did here. So we installed this new timber fence, again mirroring there. So we're all about the symmetry here, we're all about keeping it together. So yeah, I feel like we definitely achieved that as our main objective.
Made a box, ticked it,